My name is Jason Wrench, and I have created a short course on navigating and using Plottr to plot your novels. So let's go ahead and go to their website. If you come to their website, you'll see right here, you can get a 30-day free trial. But most of you are probably, after that 30 days, if you're like me, are going to want to go ahead and actually get it. So if you come here, you can actually click on the pricing tab and it'll show you how much it is. If you want to get it just for the annual, it is $45 a year. But you can also, if you click right here, get the lifetime, and it's right now only $147 for the annual. You can also get a bundle, which allows it to be on both Windows and Mac devices, and you can install it up to 6 devices. If you just get one of the other ones, it's only on one platform, and you can only install it on 3 devices. So again, ultimately though, many people are going to want to go with the annual. I highly recommend the lifetime. So once you do that, you can just click on, start your 30-day free trial, plug in your information, and you can download it. Now, if you'll notice, I'm actually going to provide you the link that goes to my affiliate link. So this is my affiliate link, just as an FYI. So I just want to put that out there. So I look forward to showing you why I love Plottr over the next number of videos.